Crazy Chemist here. I just wanted to take a minute after making some candles to talk to you a little bit about how to use the aroma beads that I currently have available. And so all of the aroma beads come in an aluminum tin, and the reason why I put the aroma beads in a tin is because I wanted you to feel comfortable putting them in a drawer or a closet. You don't have to worry about the fragrance oil getting on any material because it is in a tin. Now, that's not to say you couldn't take the aroma beads out of the tin and just use the aroma beads in the sachet itself. It's just a little organza bag sachet filled with the aroma beads. So to use them, you are going to have to unscrew the lid and actually remove the white piece that's in there. And then you'll screw this back on, and you can put it in a bathroom, you can put it in your closet, you can put it in a pantry, you can put it under the seat of your car. You can basically put it anywhere that you want to have a nice fragrance refreshing the area. So far, in my experience, these have lasted anywhere from 4 to 6 months with a decently strong fragrance. You can even hang them. If you want to hang this, what I recommend you do is pull one of the ties from the organza bag out of the tin and then screw the lid back on. And excuse the gloves, I was just finishing up making some candles, as I said. You can screw that back on, and now you've got something that you can hang the aroma beads. Anyway, I do hope this helped a little bit, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can go to my website and fill out a form, or you can simply email me at crazychemistcandles@gmail.com. So I hope to see you in another video. Till next time!